Hello everyone, welcome to my AutoCAD tutorial. Today, we will learn how to draw a line in AutoCAD. We will also see the difference between the auto off and auto on for straight and non-straight line before we start. Okay, so here is an example of the auto off and auto on for creation the line. Okay, so this is the AutoCAD interface. So this is the ribbon for this the whole browsers, and this is the drawing area so that you can draw whatever you want within the drawings area, where we can also create our drawings. And this is the command line where we can type the commands. Now let's start to draw some lines. Okay, so first make sure auto is off to create this compound, because this compound is a non-straight compound. So we have to try the first one. So if you want to try the first one, you can turn it off by pressing F8 on your keyboard. And once you press in the keyboard, and then it's called auto on. So if your command is stay auto on, you cannot start to draw and you cannot get the non-straight line. So you press again F8, then you can see the auto off. Now you are free to draw lines in any direction. Okay, so click, see, I can draw at any angle. Okay, so click to specify the first point, and then move your mouse and click again for the next point. Then this is how we create the non-straight line. Then after that, you can connect your first starting point. You can see the end point of the cursor. This is what we call the snipping point. Okay, you click this. Then once you stop the process for this command, you just simply press the escape from your keyboard. So means that by clicking the escape means stopping your current command. Okay, then you zoom out. So if you want to zoom in and zoom out to see your drawing bigger or smaller, then you just use your middle wheel from your mouse. You roll in, then roll out. Okay, then okay, for the first image, and then this is what you create the straight line, the boundary. So now what you need to do, you need to press the F8 from your keyboard, and then you must see it must be the auto on. Okay, so when auto is on, your cursor will move only horizontally or vertically. Okay, so I just type in L from the command line to start draw for a line. So earlier, as I explained to you, your cursor will move only horizontally or vertically. Okay, this helps us draw perfect straight line. Okay, so click the first point. Okay, click the first point, and then I need to follow exactly the measurement, the image from above. Then from the keyboard, I just type in 2000. Then press enter. After that, you have to go down. You have to turn around your mouse position to the downward. Then you just type in 2000, press enter. Then you move slowly your mouse to the left direction. Then press enter for 2000. Okay, then after that, all of the line are in same measurements now, so we can directly connect to the first point of the line, or maybe you can try the other alternative way. Just type C from your keyboard, because you have two options, undo or C, because right now we are going to close this line to that boundary, to find the boundary, and then we just simply type C from the keyboard and then enter. So means that this line is automatically connect or close this open boundary. Okay, so let's recap for this sharing session today. Press F8. Press F8 to toggle auto on and off. Auto off allows you to draw in any direction. Auto on restricts your lines to horizontal and vertical only. Use escape to cancel a command, and another one I have to tell you, this one for the Control Z, or you just use spacebar. Okay, let's say I don't want this boundary shape, and then I just want to go back from my previous stage. You have two options. You just simply press Control Z from your keyboard, and then you see whatever you have drawn right now is gone, and then it brought to you to the initial stage. Or maybe instead of the Control Z, you just press U spacebar. It's called the undo. Okay, so please practice this and you will get better every day. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.